Welcome to Masudecr Michigan Inc. This is Masud from Masudecr Michigan Inc. Masudecr.com or my cell phone 586-795-5355, mobile 586-709-0218. Welcome to WINREST32 Sidekick, production number 6. This is Masud. We support WINREST32 programs, Easy Powers, SNBC, printers, and many cash registers programming if we have information available. We cannot support online product due to support to us is not available. Any non-brand products distributed by unrecognized distributors and selling online, buy on your own risk. Sometimes we sell the imported product that have no warranty or guarantee whatsoever from us or many resellers. So please be aware of that. Get detailed information before you buy a product. Now we are going to show you this WinRest software, WinRest32 software, and we are going to start from the scratch. So let's go exit from here and come to the main screen. On the top you will see it says ABS POS WinRest32, and the same thing you will see here. So if I ring 1, enter, you see the both screen change. So this is RDP. RDP means remote desktop. So I am showing you this program remotely. Whatever I ring in my RDP is going to show up on this machine. So let's start. This is a menu from a small breakfast and dinners. We call it here a Coney Island. It's like a hot dog stands. So we have start with the Granny 24-hour specials. So we have bacon. Here we can have no tomato, no onion, no lettuce, and we can have American cheese, and that's it. And then I go to dinners. So we have different dinners, so chicken breast dinners, and dinner come with the French fries and the coleslaw. So I go that, and the coleslaw do not require any dressing. So Mexican style, we have steak quesadilla. Then we have a pita sandwich with gyro pita. Now if I want to add something or take it off, I can go to the modifiers. Here I say no tomato, no lettuce, no mushrooms, and American cheese, and I say add some bacon to it. And temperature, well, we don't need a temperature in a pita bread, but then I have add-on, and we don't need anything in an add-on. We had a dinner choice, we don't have, and we have a dressing choice, so you just take ranch. And here we have a beverages, so we have a small, medium, and large, or we can take coffee or cappuccino. And then we can go to the breakfast area where we have an omelet, and we can select a ham and cheese omelet. It comes with a hash brown or grit. It comes with one choice of meat, and that's it. So now I have all these orders done, and I pay it. When I'm going to pay it, it's going to print me two receipts. One is going to print me the kitchen order, and the second, it's going to print me the receipt from the customer. So I paid it by cash. So see here, and the order is about 42, so I give me $50 and I pay with the receipt. So when I do that, I am going to show you how the kitchen order is going to be looks like. If you can see it, you can see it here. There's the order number, and I can show you, you can see here order number, and then you can see all the orders here, and here the order number is 44. Now I go to the receipt, and when I put the receipt here, I can also show you the receipt, which is also showing me an order number of 44 and the total amount, whatever it is giving to them, is a $42.01. This program is developed by ABSPOS, and it's called abspos.com, and it's called WINREST32. WINREST32 program, to my personal opinion, is one of the world's best program. And why do I say best program? Because this program is also very easy to program. So let's go to do program options, and you want to see here. So here we have Granny's 24 hours, we have a dinners, we have stir fry, we have a Mexicans and a pita. So any burger. So now I go to burger and I want to see the details. So you see here the program format is an XML, which is an Excel programming. So I can change any program. I can go just by typing, or I can add a new item. And if I can want to change the tax status, so I just go here and I just doing this. All of a sudden I make everything non-tax. Now I want to put a tax back here, so I go to Michigan tax and I put a tax. So I put the program is very, very simple, and I can change the color. So I can want to change the color of this one to pink. So you see here it is changed to blue. Let me save it. I go back here, and when I go back here and I go one enter, and I go to burgers, you will see add chili to fry is changed from yellow to blue. So changing fonts, changing color is very, very simple in this program. And also, one of the best features you have, I can migrate this program to any machine. What happens if your window, or if your desktop, or your tablet, or whatever it is broken, you can migrate the whole program to a different machine. Also, you can copy the program, you can copy the database, you can copy the menu. You can go to your computer, make the changes, save on a USB, bring it to a machine, and transfer it to this in a matter of a second. For example, you want to change the program to, say, like a 5th of May, which is my birthday. So if you want to change the program on a 5th of May, I make the program, I make the changes, and I keep it on a USB. So on 5th of May, when I open up the restaurant, I go to the USB, insert the USB in, and then the whole menu will be changed in a matter of a second. These availability and easiness is not available in many programs. One thing I like to, before I finish, one thing I like to say, 99% or 90% programs are not easy migratable. Means you buy a program and then you want to take it to another machine. You may have to pay from couple of $100 to couple of $1,000 depending upon how much the dealers charge you. Average rate, regardless whatever the dealers say, in the USA, an average rate is about $200 to $350 an hour. And this is not joke. A lot of people, they say, oh, I charge only $30 to come in. Never see what they charge to come in. Always see what you paid when a service technician is going out. It is your plumbing, it's your kitchen appliances repairs, it is your car repairs, or anything. You want to get exhaust job done, take your car into the muffler shop, you're coming out with a $500-600 and sometimes $1,000 bill. So be in a reality, repairs are very expensive. In this machine, if you are trained yourself, you can do everything by yourself. Another thing, lots of programs are on a subscription basis. One of my customers says one time, in a number of years, I think 20-25 years, he paid close to $25,000 as a subscription fees. Another customer I was talking to in a seminar. He says that he's paying $1,800 per restaurant, and he got a 9 or 10 restaurants. So he's paying close to $20,000 plus. He's also paying extra money for the credit card processing, because all these subscriptions, they force you, if you don't buy their credit card processing, their program will not work. Another thing I don't want to talk to you about it, that most other subscription programs are on a cloud. Who is watching, who is not watching, where your sales data are selling. I don't want to talk about it because that can create illegality, and people can say that you are giving a wrong advice or misleading the people. This is your job to find out that who is using your data and where the data is going. In this program, you buy it, you use it, and you don't have to pay anything unless or otherwise there are updates, and the updates are not expensive. So at the end of this program, I like to thank you, abspos.com, WINREST32.com. I like to thank you, Mr. Ziggy Janakowski, who is in a business for, I think, 60 plus years. Also, I like to thank you, Mark Janakowski. I like to thank you to Derek Janakowski, and I also like to thank you, John Lloyds. His support is super excellent and very good. So have a nice day. Any question, call me 586-795-5355.